Are you looking for a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom property about 15 to 20 minutes walk from Reading town? Well, this one right behind me, that's had a lot of work done to it recently, could be the one for you. First of all, we've got this fantastic new block paved driveway to off-road parking for 2 cars. Lots of work to show you inside. Let's go in and we'll take a look. Come on in. Right, welcome inside. Number 179. So the owner has put a lot of time and energy into this property. It's been fully replastered throughout. You've got freshly painted walls, big bay window here, throwing lots of light into this family room. Favourite part about this home is this open plan kitchen dining space. So you've got this perfect spot for family meals. The original wall is here. You've got the extension on the back. Which is where this super kitchen is. Got gas hob, 2 skylights flooding this space full of light. This is a perfect place for an American fridge freezer as well. And then, in these terrace properties, it's very rare that you get a second shower room. So that is separate to the WC. So just think when you have people over, they don't have to traipse upstairs, which is always really annoying. Let's go and check out these bedrooms. So 2 doubles, 1 single, a very tidy shower room, decent sized shower tray, and then double number 1, check it out, overlooking the garden. And then you've got the master bedroom, so it's all double glazing upstairs, and there's that driveway again. We've also had quite a lot of work done to the roof as well, so that's nice and secure, so you can tick that off of your list. And then bedroom number 3, whether you've got a little one, a slightly bigger one, or you work from home, that's a perfect space. So if you like what you see and you think this is the one for you, do get in touch with the team quickly at the office, and we can't wait to meet you here at Thirlmere Avenue. Take care.